Hey guys, today we are going to talk on complex numbers and specifically locus of a complex number. First of all, to get the definition of locus, the locus is an equation of a curve traced by a complex number. It could be a straight line, a circle, a rectangle, and so on. So we want to find the locus of this complex number. Firstly, we set our z to be x plus yi, which is the general form of a complex number. From here we now get absolute value of x plus yi minus 2 plus I to be equal to absolute value of x plus yi plus 3. So we then simplify this, we get collect the terms, the constant terms and the terms in I. We get x minus 2 plus y plus 1 I to be equal to x plus 3 plus yi. And from here, this is in the form absolute value of x plus yi, which is square root of x squared plus y squared. So this now becomes square root of x minus 2 all squared plus y plus 1 all squared to be equal to square root of x plus 3 all squared plus y squared. We do on both sides, and at the time we square both sides, the square root sign goes off. We now have x minus 2 all squared plus y plus 1 all squared to be equal to x plus 3 squared plus y squared. We now expand both sides, applies, we get x squared here minus 4x plus 4 here plus y squared plus 2y plus 1 to be equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus y squared. So this y squared goes off with this y squared, x squared, this y squared goes off with this y squared. So we now have on the left hand side negative 4x plus 4 plus 1 5 plus 5 plus 2y to be equal to 6x plus 9. We now bring this way, we get negative 10x minus, we bring this way, minus 4 plus 2y to be equal to 0. So we now have it resembles an equation of a straight line. So we should arrange it. It should be in the form y equals to mx plus c. So from here, arranging this, we get 2y to be equals to 10x plus 4, and dividing all through by 2, we get y to be equals to 5x plus 2, so which is a straight line. So the locus is a straight line, which is a straight line. So now you can then represent this on the real line. You will have this. So first of all, the intercept of this curve is when x is 0, we'll get y to be 2, and x is 0, we'll get y to be 2. When y is 0, we get when y is 0, we'll get our x to be negative 2 on 5. So those are the intercepts. So have the y-axis and the x-axis. So when x is 0, y is 2, we get 2 somewhere here. When x is negative 2 on 5, which is somewhere here, y is 0. So get something like this. So this is the locus of the complex number, which is a straight line. So this is y equals to 5x plus 2. So thanks for watching.